Like Gary, I say. Rock like a monster with a team-signed Fender Squire old guitar. And it's with this exclusive guitar at the Hard Rock Cafe in Tower City.